Hello everyone, welcome back to Charminliti channel. Today I will guide you on how to draw the original animated version of the Little Mermaid. Alright, let's get started. First, we open the Adobe Fresco app. Choose Square Size. Click on the image icon. Choose Photo and select the desired background image. Next, we move on to the step of selecting a reference image. I will provide the link to the reference image in the description box below. Select Layer Properties. In the Layer Opacity section, decrease the sharpness of the sample image. Open a different reference image to use as a color picking sample. Create a new layer. Select Light Brushes. Choose Oil Paint Flat and adjust the brush size. Choose the color for painting by using the color picker tool. After selecting the desired color, you can start painting. Use the brush tool and apply the color to the area you want to fill in or add details. You can adjust the brush size and opacity as needed to achieve the desired effect. Take your time and carefully fill in the colors, following the reference image or your creative vision. After that, click on the sample image layer and select Delete Layer. Create a new layer. Select Oil Paint Route. Adjust the brush size. Use the color picker tool to select a red color for the hair of Ariel. The movie The Little Mermaid by Walt Disney is one of the hottest films recently, remade from the 1989 animated version. The Little Mermaid is capturing the attention of the audience with the enchanting story of the mermaid Ariel and her colorful and marvelous adventure. With the participation of talented artists such as Halle Bailey, Javier Bardem, and Melissa McCarthy, the film has generated great excitement and high expectation within the Disney film-loving community. However, a lot of people say that this Black Little Mermaid is not appropriate for the original film, despite Halle Bailey being dubbed the Beyoncé version. Please let me know your thoughts on Halle Bailey as the Little Mermaid in the comment below. The facial drawing for Ariel may feel like applying makeup. A touch of mascara for her lashes to make them even more curl. As we enhance her look, we delicately place vibrant blue lenses onto Ariel's eyes, transforming them into a mesmerizing shade that mirrors the vastness of the ocean. Her eyes now sparkle with the allure of the deep sea, captivating all who gaze upon them. Now, let's apply a coat of lipstick to her lovely lips. With the subtle glide of lip gloss beckoning the attention of the Tarzan sailor with their irresistible allure. With a gentle sweep of rosy blush, her cheeks bloom like delicate blossoms, lending a radiant and youthful charm to her enchanting visage. Let's define her eyebrow with precise stroke, adding a touch of sharpness to her overall appearance. We paint the seashell chairs of the Little Mermaid, transforming it into a captivating throne reminiscent of the ocean treasure. Flounder, the lovable fish companion of the Little Mermaid, is a delightful creature with a timid yet endearing nature. With his vibrant yellow and blue scales, he adds a splash of color to the underwater world. Flounder petite fins and round shape make him irresistibly charming. His expressive eyes sparkle with curiosity and innocence, reflecting his loyal and caring personality. We merge on the individual layers of Flounder that fit together. Finally, we will add color to the seaweed and coral reefs. And there we have it, our masterpiece of the Little Mermaid is complete. If you have also crafted stunning artworks, I would love to see them, so please share by commenting below. Don't forget to share your support by like and subscribe to Charminliti channel and stay tuned for more exciting videos to come.